Hello, how are you? I am back again and today I'm going to show you what's inside the brand new TOYL box. This is the Time of Your Life box for April 2024 and this is an amazing beauty box. If you don't know it, it is really good. It's female founded, it's female run, completely independent, and it's all designed around women of a certain age, 40 plus to be exact. It is a little bit more than other beauty boxes, however, it is a little bit better, if I'm honest. Everything is super luxe and it's all tailored towards slightly older skin, slightly mature tastes, and it's just really luxurious. It's really luxurious, really lovely, and yeah, I'm a big fan, so I thought I would do a quick unboxing. This month's theme is colour correction, and it has a whopping value of £138.99, I think. However, because it's a TOYL box and it has a special price, it is $39.99. However, you only get that price if you're a subscriber, which you can do. You can use my code and get £10 off your first order, which is FFL. I will put it in the description. I'll put it there and then you can always access it. Also, you can cancel at any time. You can pause at any time if you don't like the contents of the box. And it's just really, really good. I'm a big fan. I think it's great. So yeah, I thought I'd show you what's inside. So first of all, here is the packaging. I have already opened it because I wanted to see what was inside. I couldn't be bothered waiting to put on my makeup. So yeah, let me give you the contents. So I'm going to start with probably my favourite item in the entire box. This is so good. It is the Emma Hardy Eye Serum. Now this is a full-size product and it's worth £55. So it's actually worth more than the price of the box alone. So if you like this product, it's worth getting this box just for this product. It's so good. But yeah, that's the first product. It's so good. I love Emma Hardy. Such a treat. So lovely. By the way, I've been gardening and my hands look a bit of a mess. Okay, on to the next product. So this is the Temple Spa Let's Concentrate Skin Glowing Serum. I have had this before and I did absolutely love it. It's a 30ml full-size product and it's worth £50. Again, more than the price of the box. So good. Then next we have a little Pixie. This is a colour correcting concealer. It's in the brightening peach shade and this alone is worth £14. And then finally we have the My Sweet Smile Teeth Whitening Pen. Now I'm normally a little bit worried about teeth products, especially when they whiten, but because I have a lot of sensitivity after I had Mary. However, this one is actually dentist approved. So I might give it a go. Anyway, that is the box. It's so good, like so good. Two of the products are incredible and they're worth more than the box itself. Third product, the Pixie, also incredible, such a winner. And then we've got a tooth whitening product. So it's really good. It's really good. It's such a good box. Love it. If you want to sign up, you get £10 off your first box. No press. Use the code FFL and yeah, all the description, everything, it's all there. Have a look. You think you're going to like it. Okay, thank you so much. Goodbye.